Well, this is Cody Colangelo. It's raining pretty hardcorely outside, so I'm thinking, hey, why don't I go outside in my boxers? Yeah, the boxers, and without a shirt. I'm thinking, why not? So that's what I'm gonna do. How bad is it? Let's hope I don't get. Yeah, it's pretty fucking bad. Holy shit. You know what? I can do it. Hey, you guys can see. That was pretty good. Pretty good, I think. It is raining pretty hardcore. I mean, to be honest. Pretty wet. How do you like a half-naked man running in the streets? My neighbors are probably staring me down pretty weirdly. That doesn't really matter. So you want to go with me? Why not? Let's go. Ah! Fuck, I almost fell on my flip-flops. Get back in by the back.